Hello and welcome back to Muthatech. In today's tutorial, we'll explore a simple method to recover deleted WhatsApp messages without using any third-party or modified apps. To demonstrate this, I'll send some messages to my WhatsApp Messenger using WhatsApp Business. And then delete them. As you can see, the messages are now gone. To retrieve these deleted messages, follow these steps. Go to your device's settings. Select Notifications. Tap Advanced Settings. Scroll down to Notification History. Locate WhatsApp in the list. And here are the deleted messages. You can now view the conversation. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Muthatech for more tech tips, tricks, and tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below.